So last day for our pre-session, well, let's start with floor push-ups. Kneeling floor push-ups, घुटने पे आ जाइए और try to do 20. And when you are done with 20, you can go back to the wall push-up. And if you feel like too much, not do, cannot do, it's okay, no problem. हम breathing करेंगे. If you're done with 20 on the floor, you go back on the wall, try doing some more. If you're not doing this, continue long deep breaths. लंबी गहरी सांसें लेते रहो. Entire focus and attention on the breathing. Just try to observe your mind, what's happening. When you're done, relax. Quickly type how many did you do on Monday and how many did you do today. Monday और Saturday में आपके पुशअप्स में कितना फर्क आया. फिर नेक्स्ट वीक हम और चेंज करेंगे. $20 push-ups on the floor and total 80. Wow. So 60 on the wall and 20 on the floor. That's amazing. Floor 20, wall 60. Great. 40 and 70. Kya baat hai? Good job. So pre-sessions are purely designed for strengthening. Sometimes we do Surya Namaskars as well, but overall repetitive movements usually वो थोड़ी boring हो जाती है, तो इसलिए मैं आपको option देना चाहता हूँ side that how many you want to do, and tracking that number helps you progress physically. Okay, चलो let's keep our eyes closed, आंखें बंद, एक बड़ी सी मुस्कुराहट. A big bright smile on our face. Let's start the session with the practice of gratitude. Get ready for the prayer. You can fold your hands if you wish to. प्रार्थना के लिए हाथ जोड़ लीजिए.
योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोतं प्रवरं मुनीना पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिं रानतोऽस्मि. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
Welcome to Saturday. Let's all stand up. So we work on stamina. Stamina में हमारे 3 चीजों पे हम काम करते हैं: physical, your breathing, and the mental. So today we will start with movement for a longer duration for let's say 15 minutes. Then we'll do some breathing to improve our breathing stamina. And then we'll be doing Yoga Nidra today. तो आज हम योग निद्रा करेंगे. That's something that helps develop our patience. तो अपनी अपनी जगह पर खड़े हो जाए. Let's start with our nice, simple, easy walk. Now increase the speed for a small jog. 1 minute. Keep moving. Keep your core engaged. पेट को हल्का सा खींच के रखो. सांस लेते रहो नाक से. You are supposed to breathe, but only in the nose. Do not open your mouth. Anytime you feel it is becoming too much, you reduce the speed or you take a break, probably sit for 20 seconds. No problem. सिर्फ और सिर्फ सांस लेना है. अगर ज्यादा लगे तो 20 सेकंड का ब्रेक लेके बैठ भी सकते हैं. थोड़ी और स्पीड बढ़ाओ. बहुत बढ़िया. चलो continue, little extra speed. Walk or run. Let the body warm up. $20 more. $10 more. And relax. Virtual skipping. Continue. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, last 10, and relax. Walk, active break. Jumping jack, 100 counts together, okay? You can start from here anytime you feel इसके आगे नहीं हो पाएगा, switch to my version. उसमें भी लग रहा है नहीं हो पाएगा, 20 seconds break, just sit for some time. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continue. 20. Long way to go. Come on. 30. 40. You can do at a slower speed. That should be okay. Just continue moving. Halfway done. $75. Come on, 25 more. Almost there. Come on, come on, come on. Keep moving. Slow speed में, but movement चाहिए. थोड़ा physically push कर सकते हैं, but थोड़ा ही. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Keep walking. If you want, sit for some time. Take a break for 20 seconds. Long, deep breath. Try to control your breathing. You can start from here, switch to this. This is also tough. Start. No problem. You should feel a little breathless so that you know your stamina will improve. थोड़ा breathless feel होंगे अगर, हमें पता है श्योर कि अच्छा थोड़ा कुछ प्रोग्रेस होगा. Jumping jack in a different variation. Again, for the count of 100, do as much as possible. If you want to take a break in between, your choice. 3, 2, 1, go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 30. 40. 50% done. 60. 75. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk. If you're feeling breathless, you can take a break. 20 seconds, long deep breaths in and out. स्टैमिना बढ़ाना है, थोड़ा डिस्कम्फर्ट हैंडल करना ही पड़ेगा. Knee lift, simple movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. 100. Relax. Again, take a break if you wish to. और अगर लग रहा है कि नहीं, ब्रेक नहीं चाहिए, वॉक करते रहो थोड़ा फास्ट. Increase the distance between your feet. You kick back. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 40. 40. If you feel it's too much, take a break in between, no problem. 50. Just keep moving. If you feel too much, just walk. That's also an option. 60. 70. 80, 90, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk. सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही चीज का ध्यान रखना है कि आप मुंह से सांस नहीं लेंगे. The only one thing that I want you to be 100% sure is you do not open your mouth. You breathe only in the nose. And the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Forty. 40. If you notice, हमने हाथों के मेजर मूवमेंट्स किए, हाथ ऊपर नीचे बाहर. अब पैरों की मेजर मूवमेंट्स, अप, बैक एंड किक. आउट will be on the 50% done. Last 50%. $60. 70. 80. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. You can clap for yourself. Okay, quickly type in if you felt a little breathless, B for breathless, so that others also feel कि हाँ ठीक है, हमने भी बहुत ज्यादा किया. ऐसे पूरे ग्रुप को लगना चाहिए कि वो इतना सारा ऐसे. हाँ, बढ़िया. A little breathless. Amazing. Good. For those of us who are feeling breathless, we will take a break for 1 minute. For those of us who still can push, 1 round of burpees for you. You have Chotu to do with you. And मैं आराम से बैठूंगा तो आप भी आराम से बैठ जाओ. अगर आपको लगता है आपको 1 राउंड बर्पीस करना है तो आपका चॉइस. इसका इजी वेरिएशन मैं बता देता हूं वैसे. रेडी, 3, 2, 1, go for it. 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. बहुत ही बढ़िया. Now let's sit down. हो गया आज 500 ग्राम कम. तो ऐसे सब नहीं सोचना है आज वजन कम करने के लिए एक्सरसाइज करें. नहीं. दिस इज फॉर अस प्राइमरीली टू बिल्ड स्टैमिना. हमारे शरीर में कभी दौड़ने की जरूरत पड़े, कभी लंबा चलने की जरूरत पड़े, तो सांस नहीं फूलनी चाहिए, उसके लिए हम फिजिकली प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं. अब ब्रीदिंग को थोड़ा स्ट्रेंथन करेंगे. लेट्स कीप आवर आईज क्लोज्ड. विल फोकस ऑन द ब्रेथ. टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन. Slowly breathe out. One more breath in. Slowly breathe out. Let's do double breaths. 2 times breathe in, 1 time breathe out. Follow the rhythm. Deep breath in. Short breath in. Slowly breathe out from the mouth. Breathe in. Short in. Slowly breathe out. Breathe in. Short in. Breathe out. Breathe in. In. Breathe out. कंटिन्यू 3 टाइम्स ऑन योर ओन. 3 बार खुद से करो. तो आपका सवाल होगा कि हमको मुंह से सांस क्यों नहीं लेना चाहिए? While we are doing the exercise, usually the idea is if you breathe from the mouth, it should be more breath and it should feel good. No, that's not the case. When you breathe from the mouth, you by default breathe in the chest region when you're especially breathing in. And it's not a good idea. So to avoid that, we breathe in the nose. तो जब आप नाक से सांस लेते हो, while even we are doing exercises, it is very helpful for your breath to go deeper in the lungs and actually help you with better gas exchange, better oxygenation in the whole body. ठीक है, मुंह से सांस लेने से जल्दी थकते हैं और वो बाद में आपको फिर लॉन्ग टर्म में इट्स नॉट अ गुड आइडिया. So unless I tell you specifically that breathe from the mouth, you are not supposed to breathe from the mouth. Okay, I keep repeating this instruction, but I guess it's important as well. जैसे इस एक्सरसाइज में मैंने बोला आपको कि मुंह से सांस छोड़ना है. That's it. Last time, breathe in. In. Breathe out. Keep your eyes closed. Relax for 30 seconds. आंखें बंद रखो. 30 सेकंड के लिए विश्राम करेंगे. Try to be like a statue, absolutely still. मूर्ति की तरह एकदम स्थिर बैठो. Gently open your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Let go. For box breathing, follow the count. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. In, continue breathing in, long deep breath. Hold your breath. Breathe out. Hold your breath again. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. hold, breathe out, hold, breathe in a little longer, hold a little longer, breathe out slowly, hold your breath. Breathe in again. Hold your breath. Breathe out. Hold your breath again. With the next breath in, you feel the entire cells in your body are getting more happier. Breathe in. Hold your breath. Breathe out. Imagine all the stress from the system going out through the breath. Hold again. सांस लेते हुए एकदम खुशी अंदर जा रही है शरीर के. Hold. ब्रीद आउट. सांस छोड़ते हुए शरीर का सारा तनाव बाहर जा रहा है. Hold your breath. Breathe in happiness again. Hold. Breathe out all the stress and the tension. Hold. Breathe in more happiness. Recharge each and every cell. Hold. All the stress from the system going out through the breath. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Hold. One last time. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Hold. Relax. पूरे शरीर और मन को ढीला छोड़े. Relax your mind and the body. Gently open your eyes. या अभी मैंने क्वेश्चन पढ़ लिया है तो आंसर कर देता हूं. तो कोई पूछ रहे कि ब्रीद आउट फ्रॉम द माउथ होना चाहिए क्या बॉक्स ब्रीदिंग में? नहीं. Unless and until I give a specific instruction that you have to breathe out from the mouth, then only you breathe out from the mouth. Otherwise, it's always the nose. Got it? The next breathing that we do is called the Wim Hof method or rapid breathing. Who will not do this? Anyone with high blood pressure, eye problem, any heart condition, surgery, you should not do this. You will continue long deep breaths. Rest of us, what we are going to do, 20 to 30 rapid breaths, and then we take a deep breath in, hold, we breathe out and hold for a longer duration. Don't worry about the instruction, just follow follow. मैं बताता रहूंगा, साथ साथ करते रहेंगे step by step. So take a normal breath in, breathe out, and start with rapid 20 breaths. Take a deep breath in, hold, breathe out, hold your breath, pinch your nose, hold it for as long as possible. Whenever you're done, keep your eyes closed, relax for 20 seconds. Open your eyes again, round 2. The next 2 rounds, once we start, you can keep your eyes closed. इसका एक वेरिएशन आप ऐसे कर सकते हो, नाक से सांस लो, मुंह से सांस छोड़ो. This is also okay. ठीक है? If you feel नाक से सांस लेना थोड़ा टफ हो रहा है, नोज थोड़ा ब्लॉक्ड है, नहीं हुआ, मूवमेंट फास्ट नहीं हो रहा है, you can use your mouth to breathe out, not to breathe in. Okay? Continue. Take a deep breath in. Hold your breath. Breathe out. Pinch your nose. Hold your breath for as long as possible. Relax. Round 3, try to keep your eyes closed. 20 to 30 rapid breaths. Then breathe in, hold, and breathe out, hold for a longer duration. Continue. Take a deep breath in, hold, breathe out, hold, and pinch your nose as long as possible. Relax whenever you're done. And lie down. आंखें बंद रखते हुए लेट जाए. Lie down on your back with your hands by your side, open, palms facing the ceiling. Let your feet fall apart. दोनों पैरों को साइड में ऐसे गिर जाने दीजिए. Relax completely. We will take our attention through different parts of the body. Do not force yourself. Let the mind follow the instructions by itself. बहुत प्रयत्न नहीं करना है. मन अपने आप सुनकर इंस्ट्रक्शंस फॉलो करता रहेगा, तो विश्राम करें. रिलैक्स. Take your attention to your right foot. दाहिने पैर के पंजे की ओर ध्यान ले जाए. Slowly take your attention towards your knees. धीरे धीरे दाहिने घुटने की ओर मन को लेकर जाए. Relax your right thigh and the glute, janga और नितंब. Relax your complete right leg. Take your attention to your left foot. Left knee. बायां पंजा और बायां घुटना। लेफ्ट थाई एंड योर हिप्स, जंगा और नितंब। Relax your complete left leg. With the next breath out, relax both your legs. दोनों पैरों को पूरा ढीला छोड़े। Take your attention towards your genitals. जननेंद्रियों पर ध्यान ले जाए। एब्डोमिनल रीजन, पेट की ओर ध्यान ले जाए। Take your attention to your chest and the heart region, छाती और हृदय। Relax your shoulders, कंधों को ढीला छोड़े। Relax your right hand. Left hand. दोनों हाथों को ढीला छोड़े। Relax your hands. नेक रीजन, गला और गर्दन। Relax your head, forehead, all the facial muscles. सिर, माथा और चेहरा पूरा ढीला छोड़े। Relax your eyes, your tongue and the jawline. आंखें, जीभ और जबड़ा पूरा ढीला छोड़े। Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Stretch your hands up. हाथों को ऊपर स्ट्रेच करो. Relax. Mentally chant 3 times. I am healthy. I am happy. 3 बार मन में संकल्प लेंगे. मैं स्वस्थ हूं. मैं खुश हूं. धीरे से उठ के बैठ जाओ. टर्न टू योर राइट साइड एंड स्लोली सिट अप. Whenever you feel like, you may open your eyes. जब भी आपका मन करे धीरे धीरे आंखें खोलेंगे. मन ना करे थोड़ी देर और आंखें बंद करके बैठेंगे. बट सैटरडे के रिमाइंडर्स, D3 और B12 का टेस्ट कराते रहिए. अगर कराया है तो उसका ध्यान रखिए. विटामिन D3 एंड विटामिन B12, they are really important for our body. And a lot of Indians have deficiency in D3 and B12 especially. So please ensure that you keep a check on them. Second, I hope you're drinking lots of water. And third, I hope you're having early dinner. Now, for those of us who cannot have early dinner for whatever reason, please make sure that you have a really light dinner. दिन भर कुछ नहीं खाओ और रात को आके बहुत सारा खाना खाओ. ये कम से कम आप नहीं करेंगे. If you're eating dinner at 8 o'clock, try doing 7:30. If you're eating at 7:30, try doing 7. If you're doing at 7, that's great. If you're eating at 10, please try to eat early or at least have really light dinner. सिर्फ कुछ चला जाए पेट में ताकि आपको ऐसा ना लगे कि oh my God भूख लग रही है तो नींद ना आए. बस उतना नहीं होना चाहिए. So that's something that you have to follow. Quickly type promise if you will follow this for the next week. जल्दी से promise लिखो एक बार. पानी अच्छे से पीना है. जल्दी खाना खाना है. अगर आप फाइबर खा रहे हो, पिछले महीने जो हमने प्रैक्टिस किया था, तो आप फाइबर खाते रहेंगे. अगर आप और कुछ हैबिट्स आपने बनाई हैं तो वो भी आप फॉलो करेंगे. बट अर्ली डिनर इज द फोकस ऑफ दिस मंथ. ठीक है. So thank you so much for joining in. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow morning there's only one session at 6:30 a.m. for yoga. But there are multiple other things which you will get when you click on the link. Bye-bye. Keep smiling.